In this video, How to Robinhood Options Trading, I will show you step by step how to trade options on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, make sure options trading is enabled. Tap the profile icon on the screen. Now, go to the option called Settings. Look for the section called Options Trading. If it is not enabled, tap Enable Options. Answer the questions about your investing experience. Confirm the requested information in the app. After approval, return to the main screen. Now use the search bar to find a stock. Type the company name you want. Tap the stock to open the details page. Now tap the option called Trade. Select the option Trade Options. You will see the available options contracts. Choose the expiration date for the option. Select the strike price you want. Now choose whether to buy or sell the option. Review the order details before confirming. Tap Review Order to continue. After that, tap Submit to place the order. This is how you can trade options on Robinhood.